let's see in how many days I get my money back or I don't get my money back. I really don't know how it's gonna be. So stay tuned. This is what we were referring to. So those who haven't seen my last video, I give you a small gist that these are my MX90 bacons that I got from StockX. And I paid almost $215 for them. That comes out to be nearly 15,000 rupees in total for these. So if you wanna go back and check that video out first, there'll be link in the I button, and then maybe you can come back. So when we unboxed this pair, we actually, when I was closely observing this pair, I actually realized that this pair was not properly finished, or you can call it as defective. So if you see really carefully, you can see that it feels like it has been glued up. Then if you move to this part, you know, this corresponding side to the air, you see this. So this is it's like, you know, a defective piece. So in the end of the video, I said that I'm gonna take this up with StockX and I'm gonna see what we can do about this. So I went to the StockX portal. Unfortunately, StockX does not have a call center kind of a thing where you can actually call and share your problem, which actually creates a problem. But they have you can see this. You can actually go here and lodge your complaint. You can upload pictures as well. Wait a minute. If you are buying a pair from StockX and you know, after receiving that you're not sure about, you know, the pair, then do not remove this. Do not remove this from the StockX pair. So this is I don't know, authentication mechanism they have built, or I don't know what it is. But so don't remove this unless you're sure. So after uploading the pictures of the sneaker that I think you can see right now, after a couple of exchange of mails, I was given an offer by StockX. Two offers. One was that they were ready to give me a $40 nothing counts. So it's like what? It's not even my next purchase. It's not even 4,000 rupees. And honestly, when I got this pair, I was super duper excited, and I did not want to actually, you know, I wanted a replacement. I requested them for a replacement, but unfortunately, they don't have a replacement policy. I don't know replacement policy or what, but they don't actually replace. They were ready to actually take this pair back and give me my money. And that's what I opted for. So काफी confusion हो रहा था. How is the return thing gonna work? Who's gonna pay for the return? You know, return shipping कैसे होगा? So after a lot of mail exchanges, then we were able to actually come to a same page that they'll be generating a return prepaid shipping label. That is basically they gonna pay for the return delivery. And they gave me a UPS URL जहाँ पर जाके मैं actually एक appointment book कर सकता हूँ for a person to come and pick this up. We have actually packed this up, and ये है जी हमारा prepaid shipping label, if I should say it right. इसने बहुत confusion create किया है. So they gonna pick it on 5th. That is basically tomorrow, 5th June. And let's see in how many days I get my money back or I don't get my money back. I really don't know how it's gonna be. So stay tuned. I'll update you on that.
1,000 years later.
Today is 11th June and I have got my money back from StockX. I had paid $215 and that including everything, customs, taxes and whatnot. You can see it on the screen. I have got all of my money back in my account. It was a whole sort of smooth experience. मतलब अगर हम you know वो defective shoe को एक तरीके से side रखें and अगर इस whole return process को you know if we consider, then it was a whole so smooth process. I really don't know why there are so many myths as of now in the market कि StockX reliable नहीं है and whatnot. मतलब मेरा experience has been good and that's what I've shared with you guys. If you want me to make a video about, you know, selling a sneaker as well, I'll be really happy to do that. Just comment down and I'll obviously, you know, plan it out that way. And you know, I hope this video will have given you a different perspective and a wider perspective about how things work on StockX. So thanks for watching and let's see what's planned next. Stay tuned.